Good morning, class. I hope all of you are good at home. Let's continue our last lecture. Our last lecture is representation of atomic number and mass number. As we all know, atomic number is represented by Z and a mass number is represented by A. We have in the down position atomic number and at the top position we have mass number. The difference between two numbers tells us number of neutrons. Difference between atomic number and mass number. Mass number and atomic number का difference tells us about the number of neutrons. Clear? In this the bottom number represents us about the number of protons. And number of neutrons are told by the difference between mass number and atomic number. Here mass number is 16 and the atomic number is 8. If we find the difference between them, then we find the number of neutrons, and the number of neutrons is 8 equal to number of protons. The next example is carbon. Here at the bottom we have atomic number, or we can say that atomic number is equal to number of protons, and the number of protons are 6. And the difference between mass number and the difference between mass number and atomic number tells us about the number of neutrons. What is atomic mass number? A, and the atomic number is Z. Here the mass number is 13 and the atomic number is 6. The difference between these two is 7, and we have 7 neutrons in carbon. Clear? Let's switch to next topic, and the topic is classification of nuclei. Classification of nuclei. The first classification is isotopes. Second one is isobars. Third one is isomers. What is isotopes? In isotopes, atoms of same element. Atoms of same elements. We have atoms of same element whose nuclei have same number of protons. The number of protons are same, but we have different number of neutrons. Clear? We have same atom of same element. Example, hydrogen. We have 3 atoms of hydrogen. In this we have equal number of protons, but the number of neutrons are different. Check here. The down position tells us number of protons. We have in 3 atoms we have same number of protons, but the number of neutrons are different. As in the first position we have 0 neutrons, in the second one we have 1 neutron, and in the third position we have 2 neutrons. As you all know how to find the neutrons, difference between mass number and the atomic number. 3 minus 1 we have 2 neutron, 2 minus 1 we have 1 neutron. In this first case we have only 0 neutron. Now the second example is chlorine. In chlorine we have 17 atomic number and it is equal to number of protons. Atomic number is equal to number of protons. Clear? In chlorine, in first case we have 17 number of protons, and in the second case we also have 17 number of protons, but the mass number is different here. Mass number is different there. Where the mass number is different and the atomic number is same, that is called isotope. In this case, we will find the number of protons and atomic number is same. In both cases, we have 17 protons, but in first case we have 18 neutrons, and in second case we have 20 neutrons. We will calculate the number of neutrons by subtracting mass number from atomic number. 35 minus 17 we got 18 neutrons, and here we get 37 minus 17 we get 20 neutrons. Now the next one is oxygen. In case of oxygen, we have 3 isotopes. All have same number of atomic number, but they have different mass number. First one has 16 mass number, second one has 17, and the third one has 18. If we calculate the number of neutrons, we find the first isotope has 8 neutrons, second has 9 neutrons, and the third one has 10 neutrons. This is isotope. Now, the next one is frictional atomic mass. When we get the mass in points in friction, then how to calculate it? To calculate it, we have a formula, that is atomic number into percentage of first isotope plus atomic number of second isotope into percentage of second isotope, percentage of consistency, percentage of existence. For example, we take the example of chlorine. Chlorine has atomic mass, total atomic mass of 35.5 mu. The first isotope of chlorine has 17 atomic number and 35 mass number, but the second case of chlorine has 17 atomic number and the mass number is 37. The first one is in nature in 75% it exists in nature, and the second one exists in 25%. Then how we calculate the average atomic mass? The formula of average atomic calculation of average atomic mass is A1 into N1 plus A2 into N2, where N1 and N2 are percentage of existence. A1 and A2 is atomic mass. What is atomic mass of first isotope? It is 35. Cross the number of percentage of existence is 75 of first one and the 25% of second one. From this way, we calculate the average atomic mass. Clear, dear students? If you have any query, then ask from me. Please make sure that you are revising it from your NCERT and make proper notes of it. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.